Feeling comfortable with someone you trust isn't just a personal relational virtue, it's very much a professional virtue, one that we take quite seriously. When our customers hire us to design or build their automation systems or robotics, we know how much trust they're bestowing on us. People in valued positions depend on us. Entire processes with production and big costs depend on us. So again, we take it seriously, which is why one-on-one, transparent, comfortable collaboration and support is key to us at Hine Automation.
The culture internally at Hine Automation is one of teamwork, all for one and one for all. You can expect a coworker to step in to help when needed. Because we work this way in-house organically, we work this way with our customers who we see as partners and teammates. Support means communication. We respond quickly. We are nimble and able to get back with our customers immediately. If a request or question takes extra research, rest assured they know we received their request and we're working on it. Not only do we respond quickly, but we act quickly. We aim to turn around requests like replacement parts, for example, in record speed from discovery to shipment. That's because we know time is incredibly valuable. We make it easy to connect. We are in this business by choice, and that is reflected in our attitude outside our building. You can expect positive, knowledgeable, helpful, and friendly customer service. We are a team, so we listen first, offer our knowledge and experience, then work together to create innovative, custom designs and end products.
We also don't use the term collaboration lightly. This goes back to trust. We are transparent about what goes into projects from pricing to timing. Like most industries, science and technology is evolving at a rapid pace all of the time. For that reason, we're agile and versatile, evolving and growing with the business to meet today's ever-changing needs with state-of-the-art solutions. We do this by staying current on new applications and technologies while maintaining expertise to support legacy products. Your success is our success. That's what moving your technology means to us. We support you. Our designs, our products, and our team are here for you through delivering unprecedented quality in manufacturing, collaborative customization and design, and trustworthy, dependable customer service.